Good morning, Year 3s. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's quickly say a very big thanks to Miss Shakira for creating our beautiful PowerPoint for this lesson. Now, in our lesson, we are focusing on Unit 12. In Unit 12 today, we are going to listen to an audio text. We are going to listen for specific details, and we are going to identify specific actions. We are going to focus on a little bit of revision, grammar revision of can, can't, could, and couldn't. Now, today we have a few key words that are going to help us through our lesson. Let's have a look at them. We have the word swim. Swim. Then we have the word water ski. Water ski. Fishing. Fishing. Ride. Ride. Boat. Boat. Dive. Dive. Photos. Photos. Parasail. Parasail. Dolphins. Dolphins. Our helpful hint today is we need to listen very careful to the information to what activities they could do at the hotel. Now, our extra mile today will be to ask your mum or dad where you will go on your next holiday and find out what activities you can do there. Alright, let's look at the picture and listen carefully to our audio text. Our audio text is in our little box over here, and you can always listen to this again and again. It is also left on our PowerPoint for you. So, let us have a look.
Come to the Coral Beach Hotel. Coral Beach. Coral Beach. Come to the Coral Beach Hotel for the perfect holiday. Coral Beach. It's fun for all the family.
Now, students, let's have a look at what we can see. All right. What a great holiday, Nina says. What can you see? We can see a dolphin. We can see a dolphin. We can see some fish. We can see a coral reef. See? And the fish are hiding in the coral reef. We can also see a boat. A small little boat. We can see some more fish. And lastly, in the distance, we can see the hotel. Now, let's think together. We can see a bird as well, a big white bird. We can call this bird a pelican. It's fun for all the family. Now, when we were listening to our audio, we heard the name of the hotel. So, we are going to write the name of the hotel in your book. We are in your language book on page 109. Language book, page 109. Remember, you can always go through your PowerPoint presentation again and listen to the audio text once more. Or you can stop the video and rewind to listen to it as well. The what hotel for the perfect holiday? Let's look at the activities you can do at the hotel. Now, we are not going to tick any of the boxes now. Wait before we tick any of the boxes. Please say what you can do out loud. I can swim. Now you say, I can swim. I can water ski. Your turn to say it out loud. You can go fishing. Please say it out loud. You can ride a banana boat. Ride a banana boat. You can dive. Now you say, you can take underwater photos. Your turn to say it. You can parasail. You can parasail. Please say that out loud. And our last one, you can feed the dolphins. Good job for saying all of these sentences out loud. For number 3, the Scott family went to the hotel for a holiday. Listen and tick the things they can do. We are going to listen and tick which of these things they can do. All right. Listen carefully, grade 3s.
The holiday. Dad, Mum, boy and girl.
Now that we have listened to our audio text, remember you can always go and listen to the audio text once more in our PowerPoint presentation. Or you can pause the video and rewind to listen to it again. Now, let's go and tick the things that they could do. Could they go and swim? Yes. Now, from what you have listened in the audio text, tick the things that they could do. Let us listen and say. This is a little bit of a tongue twister. So, listen carefully and then repeat it for yourself. We have dogfish, catfish, lionfish, flatfish, clownfish, jellyfish, parrotfish, shark. Let's do it once more. Dogfish, catfish, lionfish, flatfish, clownfish, jellyfish, parrotfish, shark. Now, you try to say that a few times. Remember, listen and tick. You can always listen to this once more. Well done! You have come this far. Now, can we remember what we did in our previous grammar lesson? Let us revise some of the grammar. Remember, use of can, can't, could, and couldn't. Let's think. You can or can't come to the Coral Beach Hotel for the perfect holiday. Can we or can't we? That's right. We can come to the Coral Beach Hotel for the perfect holiday. The weather was hot and we could or can swim every day. The weather was hot. Remember our helpful hint? Could is the past tense of can. So, was is the past tense of is. So, we will use which word? Can or could? The weather was hot and we could swim every day because it is in the past. While we were diving, we can or could take beautiful photos. When we were, while we were diving, while we were diving. This is the past continuous tense, so we will use the word could. While we were diving, we could take beautiful photos. Our next one, parasail. We have two people parasailing over blue water. So, it was very windy, so we can, can't, or couldn't go parasailing. It was very windy. So, is this happening now, or did this happen in the past? That's right. Was is the past of is. So, we will use the past tense in its negative form. It was very windy, so we couldn't go parasailing. It was very windy, so we couldn't go parasailing. Good job, everybody. Yes, we could or couldn't go fishing. Remember from our text, our audio listening, did they go fishing? Yes, they did. So, yes, we could go fishing. We could go fishing. This boy is skiing, water skiing. We can't water ski either, or we couldn't water ski either. We couldn't water ski either, because this is in the past tense. It was great. We could all learn to dive, or we couldn't all learn to dive. Was is the past tense. And let's remember, did they all learn to dive in the audio text? That's right, they did all learn to dive. So we use could. It was great. We could all learn to dive. It was exciting when I can or could feed the dolphins. Was is our past tense verb. So we will use could. It was exciting when I could feed the dolphins. Remember to ask your mum or dad where you will go on your next holiday and find out what activities you can do there. Please remember that you can always listen to this video once more if you didn't understand anything, or send me a message on the Google Classroom so that I can help you further. Thank you everybody for watching our video, and I hope that you have a wonderful day further. Bye bye, grade 3s.